when you're the owner of the company, you got to make sure that you provide your crew with the right tools and equipment necessary to get the job done. Because if you don't, it's not going to get done sufficient, and most definitely you're going to waste a lot of time like trying to make bricks without straw, like the Old Testament. If you have the things you need, the proper tools, the proper equipment, you got the team, you can get stuff done. But if you lacking in one of those areas, it's going to be very frustrating. Like today, I have seen a guy that I'm helping do a job. Everything that we need, like the most important things, he didn't get. He ain't get. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm like, man, how are we supposed to get this done? You're supposed to be behind, but you don't have nothing to work with. I came out here just to network my skills with him. Like, I'm not using my equipment. I'm just using my hand tools. But if I would have knew he didn't have what he what he needed to get the job done, I would have brought my toolbox. I didn't bring my toolbox because I was working on some more things with that skid, so I had to take my toolbox out. So now we in a situation where he don't have everything. He got to leave, go get this and get this and get that. And on a personal note, try to have all your ducks lined out. You know what I mean? You're gonna need clamps. You're gonna need whatever it is to get a job done. Try to have that in each vehicle or whatever work truck or whatever van, whatever you got. Make sure you have your equipment, man. That's gonna make or break your business. I'm telling you, because it can cause you to lose a lot of money and a lot of frustration, and it cause you to have attitudes towards some of your workers. Then you might lose one of them because you was being an asshole and you really shouldn't have been one. You know what I'm saying? So all I'm saying is keep that into consideration. Building your independence, make sure you got what you need. You know what I mean? And that way you can get the job done fast. And also remember this, and this is something that I had to learn myself. When you're the owner, you got to remember you are working for your employees, your members. They're not necessarily working for you. So if you think that everybody's working for you, that's probably what's wrong with your damn business. You see what I'm saying? Because you got to realize you're in business to provide a service to them. So you got to make sure everything is good with them. So if they ain't right, if you ain't taking care of them, how your company go grow? Think about that. Hold on.